Hi, today I will be teaching you about wormholes. Hi, today I'm going to explain you a little bit about wormholes and how they work. To keep it simple, we will divide the wormholes into two categories, the statics and not statics. A non-static wormhole means that it may occur or may not. If you find a wormhole leading to a class 3 and it's not a static one, it means that when it disappears, you will not get another class 3 wormhole somewhere in your system. Now to the static wormhole. Static does not mean that it's always open and always in the same place. Static means that it's the same kind of wormhole. For example, I saw today a wormhole for sale. It was a class 6 with a static to a class 4. Now what that means is that every 16, 24 or 36 hours, the wormhole leading to a class 4 system will disappear. A new one will immediately appear in a different place and leading to a different class 4 wormhole. So a static to a class 4 means that the people in that class 6 will have a new class 4 open for exploration every day or so. If you get stuck in a static wormhole, you will have to scan your way out, abandon your ship by self-destructing, or ask people who are in there for a safe passage to HiSec in exchange for ISK. This is a suggestion to how to set up your people and places tab so you can easily keep everything in order. First of all, the wormhole has a static entrance to another wormhole and to HiSec. That means that every 16 to 24 hours, the wormhole will disappear and appear elsewhere in your home, changing the location to where they lead. That means that your people and places must be set up in a way to make you always ready to receive new bookmarks for existing entrances. Open your people and places, create a folder and name it locations. Put everything that is not wormhole into locations folder. Create the folder exit pipe and entrance pipe. Any bookmarks leading out of your wormhole will be placed into exit pipe. Any bookmarks leading into your wormhole will be placed into entrance pipe. Any additional wormholes from the ones you already put in exit will also be put in exit. Example, you're in home wormhole. You scan a new static wormhole to the class 2 system. You go in, scan the system, find another wormhole. The bookmark going from C2 to the new wormhole will be placed in exit pipe. The bookmark from that new wormhole back to the class 2 will be placed in the entrance pipe, as well as the bookmark from the class 2 back into your home will also be placed into entrance pipe. If you jump through and you want to explore the new wormhole as well, remember to bookmark your exits as well as any other wormholes that you find in there. Such a setup will be very easy to use in everyday situations. Only the bookmarks leading to the pass and a safe spot or two inside the wormhole are to be kept outside of folders for easier use in case of emergency. For example, your people and places are closed, you're fighting, you need to warp out somewhere. You right click and here you go, immediately you have your pass, for example, and a safe spot. In another case, if you had these two bookmarks in exit pipes or some other, like for example inside wormhole folders, you would first go to that folder, then to the system, and then warp to, which is not very useful in case of emergency.